In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off safe browsing on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to access certain websites without restrictions or simply want more autonomy over your browsing experience, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you do it safely and correctly. Let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots, which serve as the menu icon for Chrome. Click on those dots to drop open a menu. This is your gateway to various settings and tools offered by Chrome. From this menu, look for the option that says Settings, and go ahead and click on it. This will open a new tab, filled with all sorts of customizable configurations you can make to tailor your browsing experience. The settings page might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll focus only on what's necessary. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. In this sidebar, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is where you manage how much or how little data Chrome shares, and more importantly for today, how it handles safe browsing. Once you're on the Privacy and Security page, you'll see various options and settings that govern how Chrome interacts with websites, extensions, and more. The option we're interested in is labeled Security. Select it, and you'll see a few choices under the Secure Browsing section. Here, you'll find different levels of safe browsing protection. There's Enhanced Protection, which provides faster, proactive protection against dangerous websites. There's Standard Protection, which is less comprehensive but still keeps you relatively safe. If you're looking to turn off safe browsing entirely, you'll want to select No Protection. Clicking this option will indeed leave you more vulnerable to threats while browsing, so it should be done with an understanding of the risks involved. Once you choose No Protection, a warning message might appear. This is Chrome's way of ensuring you are fully aware of the potential security implications of turning off safe browsing. It's a reminder to be cautious as you navigate the internet without this layer of security. Confirm your choice if you're sure, and just like that, you've turned off safe browsing. And there you have it, a straightforward method to disable safe browsing in Google Chrome. With this setting off, make sure to practice safe browsing habits by being vigilant about the websites you visit and the downloads you accept. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful guides on managing your internet experience.